Howdy everyone, this is Green Pine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. And hey, we're at the two bedroom at the Novell Turtle Creek. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of this two bedroom. It's very big, so we're gonna go a little faster than we might normally go, but we're now walking through it and we're gonna describe just a few things that we see. First of all, look at this gorgeous living room. It's stunning. It's got all of these windows here. It's amazing. Much beautiful space here. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. It's a perfect space for entertaining, really enjoying the city. You've got a fully equipped kitchen, just delightful, with gas, lots of cabinet space, and lots of space for people to sit on, relax, have wine, enjoys fantastic views of the city, and really relax. And just a stunning high-rise apartment. It's a beautiful place here, beautiful spot. You're gonna love it here. This is just gorgeous. This is so much space here. You can, like on this two bedroom, you could fit easily about 10 people, if not more. They would all have fun. You could have some wine and enjoy a great evening here, or during the day. Either one, you'd really like your life here at the Novell Turtle Creek. This is just beautiful, and it's not finished because now I want you to see the bedroom. The bedroom's here. It's a gorgeous bedroom. Huge space. That is a king bed. You've got some fantastic views over there. Beautiful king bed, and then you've got a wonderful bedroom and bathroom combination. The bathroom is dual sink. Plenty of huge mirrors, huge walk-in shower. It's just gorgeously huge. And then you've got a tub that's there too, so really big. Got a nice sized closet here too, lots of space. This is a beautiful two bedroom here at the Novell Turtle Creek. I highly recommend it. And what I might suggest is send me a text and say, Grant, I really like this Novell Turtle Creek. I'd like to get more information. Be happy to chat with you about it. But also, we can set up a virtual tour of the Novell anytime. We do that with all of the Best Dallas Apartments, including the Novell. We can set up, it's a live virtual tour where you can just, from your home, wherever you're at, whether you're on the go in New York City in an airport watching it, in London, LA, doesn't matter, or Houston, Texas, we'd love to help you set up that personalized live walkthrough of the best apartments in the Novell Turtle Creek. Send me a text and request to set that up. It's 100% free, no obligation. And look forward to hearing from you.